From a driver that was in a really big hurry and a guy that thought he had the entire road for himself, to a driver that was either drunk or didn't know how to drive at all, here are some crazy moments caught on Dashcam. This motorcycle driver has no clue of what he's doing in the road.
Yeah. He's just gone through a red light on it. Yeah, this kid's just gone through a red light. Oh, and he got it! Oh, yes!
So, let me do the setting. What you'll see. And you might be able to search this, and you may have already seen this video already. It's kind of, some videos do the rounds.
This driver probably didn't hear the first 5 alarms this morning. Whoever's driving this car should have their license revoked.
Whoa, you're gonna cause an accident. What the f? Did you see that? Don't...
Someone has to teach this driver the concept of turn-only lanes. This next driver has zero spatial awareness. It doesn't look good at all, but the driver was okay in the end.
Yeah, and it's dirtier.
Oh!
Always remember to check if your light is red or green. This driver didn't.
Am I going to knowingly expose my mixed-race children to a couple of races, which I'm obviously not going to do. Guys, I find it so surprising that their racism caused them to basically disown their daughter on her wedding day, and now they're wanting to come back into Obi's lives because of her kids. And guys, I understand that grandparents would love to get to know their grandkids, but a lot of people are commenting saying that Opie's parents were probably wanting to see...
Oh yeah!
This truck driver thinks because he's bigger than the car, he can do whatever he wants.
What the frick is that?
Well done.
And here we have another truck driver that needs some driving lessons.
Ебать, КамАЗ въебал машину.
Да ладно.
То вы что, блядь, вы слышал, шум был? Пиздец.
Да.
Смотри.
Твою?
Нет, не мою. Мужика, блядь.
So Florida is really blessed with natural infrastructure. So for example,
I mean, what the heck was our driver thinking?
Behind the house is 5308.
Lost his front tire. Lost the front tire. Signal 4 to another vehicle. Signal 4 to another vehicle. Look at medics rolling.
Brother, 15 on my video, stop 6.
That works.
TBI, get a building.
This is all for today's video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe for more epic videos like this one. See you next time.